Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back. I have all my steel cut, laid out, double checked my measurements. Everything's good to go. It's 87 degrees inside the clubhouse right now. It's cooler in here than it is outside though, so that's always a positive. That's why I'm welding in here. I have my big fire extinguisher there because as you can see there's a lot of mess around me, but I've got 25 years of welding in a shop experience and I've seen a lot of fires. As long as you stay on top and you don't leave. The big thing is I can't just go and take this inside and leave it. I gotta spend an hour out here after I'm done welding to make sure nothing starts up. That's usually when it happens. It's half hour after you're done welding, all of a sudden you realize the garbage can is on fire. About 2 weeks ago, I built a framework for the other side to bring up the floor so it's flat. But even though it's now flat over there, we still have the skinny little ramp, and then this area still dips down. I'll jump around the other side to show you better. I'm going to leave the front area here low because that's where Nancy's chair is going to be. But across the back there and all through the middle, it's going to be even with that, which is even with behind it there. And there's the piece I've welded up to put in. The steel is in, it fits. Time to weld. When I built this framework, I forgot that the seatbelt bolted right below here. I remembered after I set the framework in, but never pulled it back out to cut it. I remembered again after I welded this framework to this framework, it's no longer leaving the bus. So I get to use a plasma cutter. Kind of a good excuse to use a fun toy anyway.
Yeah, it's really the only wood there is to burn is the shield.
Yeah.
Fire, fire. I see why you want to be here. Can we put a piece of wood down in there?
Oh, we're done there.
Oh. Here. Somewhere along the way of straightening floors, I turned 40. So
She's
we
old.
took, shut up, says the 45-year-old almost.
44.
We took a little break.
Almost.
We took a little break. And we found a little spot along the Mississippi where we have yet to run into any people, just bald eagles and dragonflies. So we thought we'd share that with you.
the way the teenagers do it. We have 1/4 inch subfloor and then 3/4 inch subfloor on top of that. And that makes it even with the subfloor that's made. And a 1 inch total of subfloor seems to be a pretty sturdy floor. Nancy's putting 2-inch screws into the factory bus subfloor that's below her. And out here I'm using self-drilling screws going right into the steel framework for them both.
Really? Fuck it. Maybe I can force it. Look at that. I just must have had to move it just a little bit to be off center of your craziness.
You had to swear at it too.
That's usually how it works best. And it knows you're serious.
Yeah, talk dirty to it, it knows you're serious. I didn't realize how much space was being robbed from us by having an uneven floor up front. We had stuff stacked in there and put away there, but having a narrow, the narrow ramp, I think, is what took it.
That was I think the biggest part of the problem, because it was awkward coming in, because it was as wide as that ramp.
Yeah.
And then up from the ramp in front of the couch there was a narrow little spot, and on the other side there was a narrow little spot.
Yeah, it didn't quite work right. And this extra step up and then flat all the way. Mm-hmm. Wow, was this nice.
Yeah, it's a completely different space.
Yeah.
It's a completely different space. It's like a real living space. What do we have left?
Next we get to take the cabinets off the end of the kitchen, build a framework for them.
The extra
and bring
cabinets that were kind of afterthoughts.
Everything to the right of the dishwasher will get a framework built for it and a breakfast bar across the top.
Mm-hmm.
Dragonflies.
I know. Hi.
Now they're on your hat. Now I don't know what they're doing.
Oh,
I
think they're mating on your arm. Nice. Oh, are they gonna mate on your head or my hat?
One person's butt was in the other person's mouth, so it's not exactly mating that they're doing.
Okay, guys.
I think it's kinky. Thanks for watching our video.
Until next time.
Peace.
Bye.
See you later.
Shut up! Oh my God.
Smash that like button. Today, our floor becomes flat all the way to the front of the bus. I don't know. I can't read lips.
You're not supposed to be looking at the screen.
Oh,
You're supposed to be looking at the camera.
I can't do that. I always look at the screen.
Like I can't lift it? No, I'm not going to do that while you're recording. That was dumb.
That got recorded though.